Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make unique fruit salad. To begin, focus on selecting a vibrant mix of fruits. Think beyond the usual suspects and include some less common options for an exciting visual and textural experience. This initial step is crucial for building a truly distinctive and memorable fruit salad that will impress your guests and delight your taste buds. Let's dive into the details. For a truly unique fruit salad, ingredient selection is key. Opt for fruits that are perfectly ripe, ensuring maximum sweetness and juiciness. Don't be afraid to mix textures. Think crisp apples with creamy avocados or juicy berries with firm melon. Proper preparation, like uniform dicing, ensures every bite is balanced and visually appealing. This attention to detail makes a significant difference in the final product. Now, let's talk about elevating your fruit salad with innovative flavor pairings. Fresh herbs like mint or basil can add a surprising and delightful aroma. For a subtle warmth, consider a tiny pinch of chili powder or freshly ground black pepper. A homemade dressing, perhaps a honey lime or a citrus herb vinaigrette, will tie all the flavors together beautifully. These unexpected additions transform a simple salad into a gourmet experience. Finally, presentation and serving are crucial for your unique fruit salad. Chilling it for at least 30 minutes allows the flavors to meld perfectly. Before serving, add a beautiful garnish like toasted nuts, shredded coconut, or even some vibrant edible flowers for an extra touch of elegance. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshing and truly unique creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.